Hello, this is an unboxing of a certified refurbished iMac available through the Apple Certified Refurbished store. This is a 1 terabyte model with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Total paid was about $17.79 before tax. I thought I would just throw this video together just to kind of give people an idea of exactly what you're getting when you buy a certified product from Apple. They are, for all intents and purposes, brand new. As you can see here, the box itself is the same as buying a brand new one. The only thing you are losing is the customized picture of whatever color Mac you bought on the front. Instead, with this, you get a generic iMac written across it, which is fine. The rest of the box, completely the same. It has the magic opening that people seem to be so fond of. And you can see the Mac itself has the Hello screen protector on the front with the customized color appropriate protector. And it also has the protector on the back as well. The device itself is, to my eyes, brand new. There's no scratches, scuffs, or anything like that on it. Everything else included in the box is everything that you would get with a brand new Mac. We've got the keyboard, which I really like. I really like the size of that. It's nice and compact. It's easy for me to tuck under the Mac and just have it out of sight, out of mind, and lose some clutter. We also have the Apple Magic Mouse, which some people love, some people hate. I like it. I like the touch interface on it. My only complaint is a little bit shallow. Sometimes it can kind of get stuck because you have to hold it very carefully. But other than that, I think it's a great mouse. We also have the included colorized power cable matched to the Mac color. And of course we have the color customized lightning cable as well, which is braided. It's a very nice cable. It's a shame Apple doesn't start packaging those with the iPhones. And that's all in the box. The only other thing is the Apple stickers, of course, which some people love to stick on everything. I have never stuck an Apple sticker on anything. I just like to save them and keep them with the box and maybe boost some resale value if I can down the line. But you can see both stickers are in fact there. This whole video has been edited on this computer using iMovie. This computer runs really well. I have noticed no slowdown. It is snappy, it is quick. Video footage was recorded in 4K, and the computer handles it with no problems. Here's a closer look at the keyboard and the mouse. I really love this color on the Mac. I just think the color is absolutely awesome. And of course the white bezels, which personally do not bother me in the least. I don't even notice them. And then here's a closer look at the back of the Mac with that deeper blue color. So that's it, the certified refurbished iMac available through Apple. This is the current M1 version. And if you have any questions or want to know anything more, just leave me a note in the comments. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.